So this is how to test with the waterproof watch tester by Bulova. It's a very simple base here. Inside of this, it's just a lever that pulls down on this rubber mat, and to create a vacuum inside with this Pyrex dome. We pull down on this lever right here and lock it and create the vacuum. If there is a vacuum, there's a leak, the pressure inside this watch will leak out through wherever the leak is. I have a suspicion is the crown, so I'm gonna test it. So come along and see what happens.